Dell OptiPlex 7010. The business beast that crushes multitasking like a pro. If slow performance and constant lag are your daily battles, it's time to upgrade to the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Tower. This business-grade desktop is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Hexa-Core i5-12500 processor, delivering speeds up to 4.6 GHz. With 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and a massive 2 TB PCIe SSD, this powerhouse is built for seamless multitasking. Whether you're crunching data, designing graphics, or managing virtual meetings, the OptiPlex 7010 handles it all effortlessly. Why settle for mediocrity when this beast is ready to turbocharge your productivity? The Dell OptiPlex 7010 doesn't just meet expectations, it obliterates them. Equipped with Intel UHD Graphics 770, this desktop supports up to 4 simultaneous 4K displays for immersive visuals. Its arsenal of ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and multiple USB options, ensures all your devices stay connected. Plus, the tower's innovative design makes upgrades and maintenance a breeze. Whether you're running heavy software or managing multi-monitor setups, this desktop delivers professional-grade performance that leaves competitors in the dust. Time is money, and the OptiPlex 7010 respects both. The lightning-fast PCIe SSD ensures near-instant boot times and rapid file transfers, while 64 GB of RAM lets you run numerous applications without breaking a sweat. Built with business needs in mind, it's optimized for reliability and energy efficiency, keeping operational costs low. With remote BIOS management and seamless IT integration, this desktop is perfect for teams of any size. It's not just a computer, it's an investment in smarter workflows. Dell's reputation for reliability shines in the OptiPlex 7010. Crafted with precision engineering and backed by rigorous testing, it's designed to handle the demands of modern businesses. The durable tower form factor ensures longevity, while Windows 11 Pro provides a secure and intuitive user experience. Need a dependable workstation that won't let you down? This desktop is built to last, keeping your business running smoothly year after year. When you invest in the Dell OptiPlex 7010, you're getting more than just a desktop, you're getting peace of mind. Its cutting-edge specs, robust build, and professional-grade features make it a standout in its class. Whether you're a small business owner, IT professional, or entrepreneur, this desktop offers the power and versatility you need to thrive. Stop wasting time on subpar machines. Upgrade to the OptiPlex 7010 and experience the difference today.